Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to remove system requirements not made watermark on Windows 11 computer. So if you use Windows 11 on hardware that isn't supported, then you can see a system requirements not made watermark that stays in the lower left corner of your screen. Apart from watermark, a similar notifications might also surface within the settings applications, accentuating and the unsupported properties of the hardware. Then I'll show you how to remove that. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to use the group policy editor. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type gpedit.msc. And then once you open up this local group policy editor, or this is the gpedit.msc, at left side navigation panel, and then you need to select this computer configurations under at local computer policy, and then select computer configurations, and then you need to select and double click this administrative template. So select and double click, and then here at administrative templates, and then you need to select this system. So here in system, then you need to click one time. So click one time, and on right side panel, and then you can see the system settings, and then we need to find and locate this hide messages when Windows system requirements are not met. So you need to scroll down and then find this hide messages when Windows system requirements are not met. So all you have to do is to select and double click, and then pop up this hide messages settings, and then next step, then you can see now at left side navigation panel, then we have three options here, like not configured, enabled, or disabled. So all you have to do is to select enabled, and then if you enable this policy settings, these messages will never appear on this top or in the settings app. Alright, so once you click this enable, and then click apply, and then click OK. Alright, so after this at gpedit.msc, and then here at the start menu, and then we need to restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to remove system requirements not meet watermark on Windows 11 computer. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.